Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Asem we die emodru. Asem we die emodru na yenhwe senia asem no ebekọ. Na answer na ebeto aso no mesre subscribe na click the notification bell ne so senia obesa no eno eneda screen so sisia we ye the latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Etiefo asem ni nina ne se ukọ eye Aguna West eye constituency bia eye MPP4 edia na MPP ni a wo ho no ye frɛ no Miss Cynthia Mamle Morrison na etiefo ukọ ho a police wa kwache embrantie eye enan a embrantie enai wo mu ye embrantie a wo mu krikretiu ene nyama na embrantie enan wo mu adwuma ne se na wo mo eba aba bekun MP no. Yes, enye movie the member of parliament for Aguna West embrantie nan bi eba Aguna West ho na de no mo ba be ye ne se na wo mo bekun MP sitting MP a ye friend Miss Cynthia Mamle Morrison embrantie ne kra no mo ye 5 na de si ye nina ene se embrantie no lodge e wo hotel bi a e wo Aguna Soedro in the central region. Na hotel ni din de Elohim Hotel. Inti mrantie ko hotel ho no. Ena wo mo de plans, wo mo ye plans, wo mo draw plans nia. Em se no mu nim bebia ma me ne be kosa ade no because unim se eye campaigning season. Tem so mu nim se ma me ne be ba be campaign wa ha na ne car ne be fa ha convoy be fa ha nti ye be hia no wa ha na yaye ne se robbery no ne yenso ya bonitue ku no. Mrantie ya plan wo hotel ho. Elohim Hotel a ewo Aguna Soedro na nyame ncha de na police for asote se embrantie bi aba kromu ho a wo mo aba beda hotel ho a plans a wo mo afa no send your police for no enya ene de we can't tell you, we don't even know because ebiana police for no ebeka se see ni ye ya che embrantie na ebiana nkrofo a wo mo so plan se wo mo bedi ewusa no mo asesa wo mo taxes. Until the long and short of the matter ne say police for aso eti asem no na police for echo hotel ho wo mo ko hotel ho na brantie baako a wo ka brantie omo ye 5 in total nti baako de wo hu police wo ne ntem na pa wo dwane ye so wo dwane ye for na aka no wo mu nim de esi na police wo no be so mu say zim etio plans ma me ne pictures bibia ma me ne be fa bibia na nkrofo yi eda wo monsemi wo hotel ho yi. Police for not chiomu in the act of planning. Say womu kwa kuku mi. Ehwane edi omo eko the regional police command, the central regional police command. Ye bisa mbrantie say edian wane soma mo a. Womu nkobo din a, womu akwa akobo NDC parliamentary candidate for Aguna West. Just say NDC ni a woni maame na contest ewo Aguna West ho. Efe no Paul Ofori Amoa ono ena mbrantie yakwa akobo ni din se wono no de omo kromo nte ho na papa na de omo ba area mu ho se wo mu mbedi mame na ewu etiefo asem no emodru asem we die emodru asem we die inti mbrantie ne bo MP din onye MP parliamentary candidate. Omo ba parliamentary candidate ni din se wono no de omo ba wo mo treye se no de yen ba na nyama no mo hu se dabi because once the first be this aye bodin na ebe yo se ntwa to so but wo mo ekeka nsem a ema police one ye convince se eye ne kra ebia papa ne na de omo eba area mu ho ho na trese fast police for ekoche papa na me ne o ka se ya che papa no the parliamentary candidate for Aguna West NDC for there ya chino e detaini no and that many can say from Ndra to Lende he has been detained. He's still in police custody. Masa asem we there mama mo ati ase say Emra Kennedy Japan mobile bonten obi beka say o de bibia na obo Ken Japan di but this is not something to criticize him. Emra Kennedy Japan ni abro nye mobile bonten ebeka say would dear Esino NDC for na plan see ebekum we no me mamoti ase say me no personally no I don't believe those things. But if this story turns out to be indeed na the police work no, but anyway investigation because so ni ehun ne say eye ntwa to so anase eye nekre because nekre ne say ya chinkrofu bebra wo mo de asema to nipa so later be kwa hwem kan na enye nekre. It is a reality, it's a possibility. I'll not rule that possibility out. But it is not looking good for the NDC at this particular time, this particular moment. Especially, Obi Asebi wono watena se tie Kennedy Japan a what say Kennedy Japan kan say NDC for plan say umbekum MP we bekum MP we na police for akwakoto so say mbrantie bi plan say wo mu kokum MP bi in the name of robbery. Na yakwa say NDC parliamentary candidate na ya cheno and they still what that's what police custody a etiefo na tre say wo bi a wo tie asem we na wo tie Kennedy Japan make say ene Kennedy Japan de na ye nekre ene Kennedy Japan de na ye nekre na nipa ko no beka. And so this particular one, it is looking very bad for the NDC. It is looking very, very bad for them. Now yenhwe how police investigations will go. Ebia, we be so betumi aka say ebia na plotting. Obi so minim say wo comment ko with the NDC fo a nsem o meka say oh ebia ye pese ye gu NDC fo ni mu ase ne ya hye da akopɛ nkrofo a ye ka se nkrofo ne mbo papa ni din ba mimi susu say enu hunti na wo se ye investigation no asem ne be kokota indi kan kokota ntem ne yenhwe say evidence bi be pia because mimi susu say the police for be kwakoche parliamentary candidate now it is based on evidence and bibi. I don't want to believe say police for no e de woman kasa pe e na kwache papa ne sa. I want to believe say e based on but right now this is what we know on this particular matter. Asem no afiansa aba nti information ne de with them right ebeba nti information ne ba eni ebehu asem ne mu no kran kasa but sisi ade ne kreni it is not looking good for the NDC at all. It's here for at all. Maza, asemwe modu from ma. Say, yeah, Maza, inkrofo ya kwachi wo mu. Ya kwachi wo mu. Red meaning say e kind of red-handed eh. Red-handed was a day. I don't know that English word. But yeah, Nkrofo campaign. Ya kwa chiwa mu fili na minim. Fili kadoji. Etioni bibia do mo nchen wo hotel room ho. At least that's what the police are telling us. They were armed men. So I want to believe it was based on evidence be Ebia Nkrofo try say oh there's a call be go through baby say but maka nipa de asemba no wahwe two sides ni na there's a possibility say a frame up so but ni na no yesusu say investigation ne be manaba yesusu say investigation ne be manaba because but yo adie no odwe ho a if adie no ye frame up then why is it that the fifth suspect ran away? Let's think about it. Like yendwe ho but once assemble e was say analysis so say adie no odie me na make say it two ways either say en kre and say ye frame papa no but sisi adie papa no wo police custody aye detaining no ya che no. Now the American say ne krese eye frame up say ne kre say eye frame up why is it that the fifth suspect now who police for no we dwane here because Nkrofo no 5 if eye frame up nanka Nkrofo 5 no be ma police for na chi wo mu ni na koma ka say ane papa we na suma ayen I don't know whether I'm making sense. Because I am Nkrofo 5 and no woman could deal. Baku who police are no journey yet. ena me na meka say either say a frame up and na say ye nekre but nya meka say ye frame up no me san so adwen bibi ka say ade na ye say ba ko dwane ye nti a frame up ade na yanchi wo mu ni na because a frame up there ngofo no beka say mo ma yanchi mu na ye chi mu ni na mo de ahye papa no but ba ko dwane ye na tre say ade no I say anyway me de afiansa asem no ye ba bedo mu esuko asem wey NDC for ebenya masa wo mbra bonten be speaking on this matter because this matter egu omu hu fin ni kreni because adia ye kan nkrofo kan say emra me ka say yen kasa on this road no omo de be politics dey politics me ka say yen politics in free but some strong elements in the MPP were saying say based on the evidence they have I didn't hear politics but really me believe it's any politics but story way eba ebetumi aba say no nya politics but it will be very difficult to defend yourself if indeed this story is true but so far this is what we've heard. Munche mwanji on comment box ni momedasi.